Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hello, welcome, thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is a full face using products in my use before the move video. If you guys haven't seen that, I will leave it linked down below, but pretty much it is my version of a project pan and like shop my stash where I'm going through products I want to use up prior to moving. And I will also be having a declutter video where I show you guys products I'm getting rid of as well as products I'm going to give to friends and family, and if nobody wants those, then those will just end up getting tossed out as well. Pretty much I'm trying to pack as little as possible for when I move in August. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, I'm going to stop rambling and just get on with the video. So as you guys can see, I already did my brows and I used the ColourPop eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown. And I also went through and used a little bit of the NYX taupe blush to kind of fill in the more sparse areas. So for face, we're going to go in with primer, and this is the Maybelline Baby Skin Primer. We're going to go in to finish off the brows, and I'm going to take the definer shade of the Benefit Brow Contour Pro and just carve out my eyebrow. Alright, so next we're going to move on to the face, since we're going to keep the eyes really simple since I do not have like eyeshadow palettes. So for foundation, we're going to be using the Anastasia Stick Foundation in the shade beige and buff it in with a brush. So for concealer, we're going to take the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye in the shade Neutral Medium. So I'm just going to be setting the under eyes with this Duo Fiber brush and this Maybelline Fit Me foundation powder in translucent. So before moving on to powdering the rest of my face, I'm going to take some of the Sephora liquid highlighter on my beauty blender and just do a little bit of highlighting. Alright, so now we're going to take some of the CoverGirl powder and just a fluffy brush and apply the foundation. So next, using the same brush, I'm just going to go into the Radiant Light shade and use this as a very light, like all over bronzer. And then again, same brush, and now we're just going into Dim Light to use as a blush shade. So next I'm just going to take some of the Becca Moonstone Mini Shimmering Skin Perfector Highlight, and I'm going to apply this over where we had the liquid highlight. So next we're going to go in with the Glam Glow Glow Setter to set the face, and then we will finally move on to the eyes. Alright, so next for eyes, we're going to go in with the Kat Von D eyeshadow primer and apply that all over the lid. Alright, so next for the eyes, we're going to go in with the NYX taupe blush and just apply that into the crease. So next we're going to go back in and apply Radiant Light, and we're going to do it on the same fluffy brush all over the lid. Then we're going to take incandescent light on this little pencil smudge brush and put this on the inner corner. And then taking some more of the taupe blush, we're just going to run this on the lower lash line. So I want to add a little bit more metallic glowiness in the inner corner, so I'm going to take the same smudgy brush and take some of the liquid eyeshadow from Stila and apply that to the inner corner. Alright, so next I'm going to do eyeliner and mascara off camera, and for eyeliner I'm using the NYC liquid eyeliner, and the mascara is going to be the Kush mascara from Milk. Alright, so lastly for lips, I'm actually going to mix both of these two NYX liquid suedes together, and again I have these shades Soft Spoken and Sandstorm. Alright guys, so that was it for the video. I hope you guys liked it. I know it's a very simple look, especially for the eyes, since I did not really have any eyeshadow palettes or eyeshadows in general in there. But yeah, if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button down below and turn on that little bell notification so you guys know every single time I upload. And yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!